Yes. Yay, good job. Yay.
Yes, and the shade is just perfect.
Hey, look what Pop has. A sparkler.
Oh, are you running? Be careful.
Careful, Tyler.
You're doing a good job, Thomas. Could you sing Happy Birthday America while you do that? Look at Give them to Daddy.
Anybody got some spokes we can put these in?
Oh.
Oh, good. We'll just light the whole box up.
Levi, did you want to do one of these, brother?
When we had the big wiffle ball tournament for India in the backyard, at the end of it, after they presented the awards, Matt had rushed out and bought
Here we go.
sparklers, because you always have fireworks.
Show Daddy. Go ask Daddy. He'll open it for you.
Those are more snakes. They're